Let us know about some members of the solar family. The Sun. The Sun is the nearest star from us. It is continuously emitting huge amount of heat and light. The Sun is the source of almost all energy on the earth. In fact, the Sun is the main source of heat and light for all the planets. The planets. The planets look like stars, but they do not have light of their own. They merely reflect sunlight that falls on them. Can you distinguish between the planets and stars? The simplest method of identifying the planets from the stars is that stars twinkle whereas planets do not. Also, planets keep changing their positions with respect to the stars. A planet has definite path in which it revolves around the sun. This path is called an orbit. The time taken by the planet to complete one revolution is called its period of revolution. The period of revolution increases as the distance of the planet increases from the sun. I wonder why the planets do not collide while revolving around the sun. For understanding that, let us do an activity. Go out into the playground with 4 or 5 of your friends. Draw 4 circles of radii 1 meter, 1.8 meter, 2.5 meter, and 3.8 meter, all having a common center. Ask one of your friends to stand in the center and represent the sun. Your other 4 friends represent Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Ask your friends to move around the sun in anti-clockwise direction in their own orbits. Do they collide with one another? Besides revolving around the sun, a planet also rotates on its own axis like a top. The time taken by the planet to complete one rotation is called its period of rotation. Some planets are known to have moons or satellites revolving around them. Any celestial body revolves another celestial body is called its satellite. The earth revolves around the sun. Does it make earth a satellite of the sun? The earth can be said to be a satellite of the sun, though generally we call it a planet of the sun. We use the term satellite for the bodies revolving around the planets. Moon is a satellite of the earth. There are many man-made satellites revolving around the earth. These are called artificial satellites. Astronomy in ancient India. The practice of astronomy in ancient India is mentioned in Rigveda, which was composed about 4000 years ago. Many Indian scholars have contributed to astronomy. One of the most well known astronomers is Aryabhatta. The work of Aryabhatta on astronomy can be found in his writing Aryabhatiya. He wrote it in 499 CE at the age of 23 years. The diameter of the earth as stated by Aryabhatta is close to its presently known value. Disregarding the popular view that earth is Achila means immovable, Aryabhatta stated that earth is sphere and it rotates on its own axis. His estimate about the sidereal period of earth was 23 hours 56 minutes and 41 seconds. This is very close to the presently known value. He also correctly stated that the moon and the planets shine due to reflected sunlight. He also gave a scientific explanation about solar and lunar eclipse. When the shadow of the earth falls on the moon, it causes lunar eclipse. When the shadow of the moon falls on earth, it causes solar eclipse. Aryabhatta also found the distance between earth and moon which is very close to the known value today.